Alright guys, I'm out here in my wife's mating nukes. They are, if you watched any of the other videos, they are deep frames, but they're half deep, so all I did was just take and cut them in half. So basically this is 4 deep frames. The other box over there is 4 deep frames, so it equals an 8 frame nuke. Well, was at a bee club meeting here end of last month, and the speaker got up there and basically said emphatically that it'll never happen. Bees do not draw queen cells or swarm cells in the bottom box. Well, I'm here to bust that myth, because right there's a queen cell, right there's a queen cell. There's one right under there. Turn this bad boy around. 2 right there. And you can see that came out of the bottom box. I'm just 2 frames in to the pulling frames in the bottom box. Let's see, I think it's this back one, because these 2 are ones that are being drawn. You can see there's one right there. I don't think, no, there's not one on the other side. That's just 2 frames that I've pulled out. Like I said, these are to be drawn out. You can see there's nothing there. This one's about half drawn out. Let's just go ahead and see if I can do this without a hive tool, one-handed. See if we find any more. Alright, so that one's, okay, they're drawing that one. We'll use a hive tool. Try to turn it so you're not at a funky angle. There's one right there. Okay, so we got 1 on that frame. And this person was a PhD. I used to work at the hospital. I used to tell them I was the only PhD on staff. There's another swarm cell. It's on the other side. We'll rotate the frame around. I thought there was another, yeah, there's another one right in there. Come on, focus, right there. How many? I've done lost track. This is in the bottom box. There were none in the top box. Not a single solitary swarm cell in the top box. I knew these girls were going to swarm because I pulled a queen. They just had a couple of open cells in the bottom. They had larvae in them, but they weren't capped. Okay, so we've got, I'll go back through and count them. But that's it, guys. They tell you that emphatically things don't happen with bees and bees won't do certain things. Question everything you're taught. Guys, have a great day. If you like the video, like and subscribe. If you don't, yell at me in the comments.